Hey guys, TPE 2022, Pierre Jebian with Humidif Group USA. We're very excited to be here with Cigar Package Design. Today, this week, this event, we're promoting smart packaging. We're connecting brands and end consumers. We know that in the tobacco industry, there's this difficulty in marketing and things like that. So we want to avoid all that mess and go straight to the director, straight to our end consumer and say thank you, right? We want to continue this product knowledge, extend the experience, right, after purchase. Humidif Group, we have 40 years of foundation in product and packaging design and development, working with the largest brands in the world, and we're proud to be in the US now. We are the sixth location in the world now for Humidif Group, and let's talk a little bit about what we're here to present. Humidif Group, we've developed our own software, Humidif Group Smart Packaging. Smart packaging is defined by a simple gesture. Just as Apple Pay, for example, you hold your device. This one, in this case, it's simply explaining the authentication process, which we've actually been granted the patent to authenticate your brand, avoiding counterfeits and things like that. One of the best features that we have for retailers is our tap to reorder feature. Just as we tapped on this box, the end consumer, once they finish the box, they're at home, they finish all the cigars, they grab their phone, they tap the box, and it takes them straight to the retailer's website, where they'll have that product in the cart. If, let's say, there's no inventory of this product, we'll program it to have a similar product, right? And this really helps engage the end consumer and really helps you understand your brand, understand the interaction with your product. On a manufacturer's point, we do the same, right? And I'll leave this right here so I can show you our back office. What you're seeing here is all the interaction with these boxes that we've had throughout the country. It's beautiful to really understand like I said, the interaction with your product. Here you have the pinpoints of all the locations of where your box was scanned, so you get to understand, wow, we've sold so much, or we have so much interaction on the East Coast, let's have an event on the West Coast. We also have all the data of how many scans you have, and right here you have the invalid scans, and that was actually me proving the authentication system. I really tried to mess with one of the tags. And this validates it, okay? In addition to the data analytics, you can update your experiences just like a WordPress website. It takes seconds to update the information about your cigar if you're a manufacturer, or your loyalty program if you're a retailer. And we also understand that QR codes are much more familiar to the industry, well, to the world, right? And thanks to COVID, of course. But we also integrated a QR code generator where we can now put, for example, a sticker of a QR code that has the same experience that the NFC behind it has embedded in it. And of course, you can provide different access and different permissions for as many users as you'd like to your back office. We truly believe that smart packaging is the direct connection to your brand, your end consumer, retailers to end consumers. And the goal is to put this in the packaging that we pride ourselves in. Proudly, we are a product and packaging design and development company. And we're not a software development company, but this is the luxury in working with Humidif Group, and this is what we are here for, to offer this to the entire industry. Thank you so much for visiting us at TPE 2022, and we hope to see you next year. Follow us on Instagram, Humidif Group USA, Facebook, Humidif Group USA as well, or shoot me an email, pjebian@humidifgroupusa.com. Thank you very much, guys.